Okay, this is lesson 36, number 15, and it's asking us about an Olympic swimming pool with the area of 1250 square meters, and the length is 25 meters more than the width. So we already drew our diagram, and then it says write and solve a quadratic equation to find the length and width. So far we have this. So does anybody feel like they'd like to do this? Does that make any sense to anybody? Yeah? Okay, so this is kind of like, it's not an X, it's a W, but this should look a little bit familiar because we've been doing quadratic equations. What great practice this is. And we can get out, we're going to want to factor it and use the zero product property. Luckily for us, there's no coefficient, well, I would say there's no coefficient. The coefficient of W squared is just 1. So that means that we can just stick our W's right in here and find the two numbers that multiply to make 1250 and add negative 1250 and add to make that number. So then I call it a diamond problem. And I write the word mad, multiply, add. And I stick the numbers in there just in case I have to do a bunch of guessing and checking. I'll have a lot of room on the two sides. So does anybody, I would say let's get out our calculators. Does anyone have any good guesses or anything on two numbers that multiply to make 1250 and add to make 25? $125 and 10 would make this. So I just write down anything that I feel like writing down. Like, okay, it's not those, right? But then I use those. So I'm thinking, sometimes I'll like double one of them and then I'll take half of the other one. Or you can just take another guess. So you just get out your calculator and go 1250 and then divide it by something that you think goes into it, like 50 probably goes. 30. You want to try 30? Okay. 1250. 30 doesn't go evenly. Yeah, don't do that. Wouldn't 50 have to go though? Because like it ends in a 50 or whatever. I'm just going to say I want to try 50. So you just go, oh, what, 50 and 25? Sweet. Why am I saying that's so sweet? Because I can make one of them negative and make the 25 negative? Yeah, because a negative times a positive makes a negative. But when I add these two together, I get my positive 25, so that's got to be it right there. So it's kind of a little bit of guessing that you have to do, but or you could just use the quadratic formula if you like that thing. But I like doing it this way. It's like a little puzzle, and it makes me happy when I get it right. Okay, so then zero product property says that W plus 50 equals 0, or W minus 25 equals 0. I'm not going to write it all out this time. I'm just going to say that I know W equals negative 50, or W equals 25. Which one could actually help with a side length of an actual pool? Can I have a negative side length of a pool? No. So if I plug, because I forgot what the question was because it's been such a long time since I read it, but it says write and solve a quadratic equation to find the length and width. Okay, so if I were to use the negative 50, and if I plug it into my actual picture of a pool, if I put negative 50 right there and add 25 to it, I'm going to get a negative side, or if I put it there, I'll get a negative side. So throw that one away into the trash can, and you just use this one. If I plug it in right there, I get 25 is my width, 50 is my length, because 25 plus 25. So I'm going to say width, 25, length, you can't read it, it's down there, length equals 50, and then I want to go back and see what was it? Was it feet, meters? Probably meters if it's a Olympic pool, and just write M's for that. That was number 15. That was lesson 36, number 15.